teacher. You're a teacher. You're a teacher time. I'm sorry, T-Rex. Are you okay? I really didn't mean to, but are you okay? I'm sorry. You can just stay over there. Yes, just sit over there. Are you okay? Are you crying? I'm sorry, T-Rex. Hello, everyone. Your teacher is back. I'm back because we have to do all the review parts from letter from A to Z. So you guys should know all the letters from A to Z and all the sounds as well by now, right? So we are going to go over all the words from A to Z, not the words, but some of the words, but we're going to do the review time today. So are you guys ready? Yes. And some of you guys sent me the Who Let the Letters Out song. It was very good. Your mommy did an excellent work on the editing, and I think Noah was everybody. You guys did an excellent work. So I'm gonna show you some video clip by end of this video clip, so maybe your mommy can see it. So guys, we're going to go over the letters from A to Z right now. So are you guys ready? Yes, let's see if you can remember all the sounds, okay? So I'll be right back. So you guys right now, you have to focus. Listen, and repeat after you repeat, okay? So, I'll be right back with the T-Rex. T-Rex, are you okay? I'm gonna go put some band on it because he bumped into the floor. Be right back. Where's A? Where is A? I'm A. Oh my goodness, A. Where's B? B. A, B, C. D. E. 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 Where's E? Where's E? Where's E? A. Where's E? Where's my E? E, where are you? I'm finding E. Can't find E. Where's E? Elephant. Egg. Where? Can't really find E. Where's E? Can't find E. Hello, A, C, D, E, where are you? Oh, can't find E. Let's go. Oh, it's right here. A, C, D, E, F, G, H. Where's H? Again. H. Hello, H. Hello, H. I. J. Where's J? You found everything? K. Where's K? L. Where's L? M. N. Where's N? O. P. Where's P? Q. R. S. T. U. Where's U? U. V. W. X. Y. Z. What? This is N. L. Got it. U, V, W. Got it. All right, so guys, your teacher has everything. All right, guys, your teacher has all the letter sounds over here. So let's go over very quickly one more time, okay? So let's go over from the A from the top, guys. You guys ready? Focus. You guys have to remember all the letter sounds, okay? Yes. William, Jaden, Julian, and who else? Noah. Focus, okay? Yes. Jessica. All right, so Diana, I'm watching you. All right, so everybody, here we go from the top. A. B, 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 and C, 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 and D, 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 and E, 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 F, 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 right? What about G? G, 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 H, 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 and I, E, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 O, 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 M, 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 N, 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 O, 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 P, 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 and Q, 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 and what about this one? And let me see, S, 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 and T, 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 and U, 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 V, 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 violin, V, V, violin, right? What about W, 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 X, 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 and what about this Y, 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 yeah, 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 and the last one, Z, 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 Z. All right, so guys, we have learned all the words. All right, guys, we learned all the letter sounds from alphabet letter A to Z, right? So you guys should remember all the big letters and the small letters, the lowercase letter, and all the sounds as well, right? So we're going to learn all the CBC words from next week, so you guys have to... My finger is pink. Sorry, T-Rex. You okay, right? Just sit over here quietly. until I'm done. Alright, so guys, did you guys review all the the sounds from A to Z? Yes? You guys should remember all the sounds so we can start up the CVC words from next week. You guys excited? Alright, so guys, have a safe, great weekend with your mommy and daddy. Maybe you guys can, some of you guys didn't send me the video clip yet, but you can have a little time till October, the last week of October. So don't be hurry, but you can take the pictures, the video clip this week, right? All right, so have a great, safe weekend with your mommy and daddy, and I'll see you guys next week, okay?
어,